In this video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio of a video project in Descript. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, the current aspect ratio is vertical because the video was a vertical video. What if you wanted to change it into a landscape or even a square type of aspect ratio? All you need to do is just click on this icon. It's the aspect ratio and video settings icon. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the aspect ratio you're in. At the moment, it's portrait for Instagram and TikTok, and that's a 9:16 aspect ratio. If you'd like a landscape, just click on landscape, and that is a 16:9. This is more or less what you see with videos on YouTube. And you can see here, it's for YouTube and all that. And if you want a square, that's good for Instagram as well. Click on that, and then you're going to have a square aspect ratio for that. Alternatively, you can go for the other, and this allows you to set your own settings right here. So for example, a square is giving us 720x720, but let's assume we want full HD. That's a 1080x1080, still the same, but let's go with landscape. We get 1920x1080, and you can also import your own width and height parameters right here. You can also change the frame rate from here, as low as 23.99 FPS up to 60 FPS. Let's say we go with 30 FPS, and that is how you change your aspect ratio. Let's go back to the original portrait right there. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.